this guy has the most luxurious mustache in the world. Really, seriously, your mustache is... Look, at the photographer wants to take a picture of it. I hired the photographer to take pictures of me. His mustache is so glorious, the photographer is like, oh, fuck you. What's your name? Farouk. And what's your... Faraz. Sorry. Because mustache is so long, the sound goes through the mustache, changes the vibration, and the waves come out. And what is your occupation? Locksmith. That makes sense. He shows up. Your door is locked.